show you our vitamin C travel and trial kit. So it comes in this little mesh, so it's super easy. You can just keep it in here, throw it in your suitcase and go. It's also a good way to try the products. So this one is our vitamin C cleanser, which is a 1 ounce. The toner, which is a spray, and it's a 1 ounce. And we have the vitamin C serum, which is a 1/4 ounce, and the vitamin C cream, which is a 1/4 ounce also. So these normally last my clients a couple months, and it's everything in our vitamin C line to try. So the cleanser, toner, the serum, and the cream. So it's a good way just to give it a shot to see what you think. If you need more information on exactly the vitamin C and what it does, we have those on this website also. So you can go ahead and just scroll through all the vitamin C products, okay? Thank you. Aloha.